This is 2025 MG ZS, and this is its infotainment system. Now, to connect the device, we must go to Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth is enabled. Firstly, check your vehicle name. In this case, this is RAAMG. And find it on your phone. Click pair. It says pairing. Now you can see a code. Click OK. And you should see the same code on your infotainment screen. Click pair. And back to your phone. Click allow. And now you should be all set. You get a few notifications. And let's see if we can play music. That's how you pair your phone to Android Auto on the 2025 MG ZS.